Hello bearded bee people, welcome back to B&K Bees for part what I think is 9, it might be 8 of our Making Queen Bees series. It is 18 days after we placed the cells. We placed them on the 2nd of June and now it's the 20th of June. So there's been more than enough time for those queens to go out and get mated. I do have bad news in the sense that the rain and just general crap weather has made this round of mating really bad, really difficult. It's less than 50% are coming back mated, so I'll be happy to see one mated queen in this box. So hopefully we are able to cage something up in here, because this is the box I believe that I messed with during the last video. If not, then we'll move on to another one of the others that I placed on that same day. But, like I said, it wouldn't surprise me greatly if both of these had drones all over the place, because that's how those queens are. If they are coming back, they're coming back laying drones. So, let's hope for worker brood. I know I have to split these. They're putting up comb honey for me. That's cool. Okay. Now they are acting like we have mated queens in here. They're not super runny and buzzy. So now that I see that, I'm a little bit more encouraged. Usually when there's not a queen and you crack the lid off, they just start running all over the place. I don't see any eggs here. Or here. No eggs. No eggs. This one's a disappointment, I guess. Yet another one. There are no eggs in this side, unfortunately. That cell definitely emerged. I always tell people to wait a full 3 weeks before giving up on their queen. But 18 days is close as heck to 3 weeks, so I'm definitely going to write need on this tag here, so that the next time that I'm coming through with cells, I give this one a cell. Because I won't be checking it in 3 days, you know. Like, my best guess is that she didn't return. Okay, so what about the other side? Alright, this side looks good, I can tell already. And there's the queen right on the center of that frame. Fantastic. Okay, you just pick them up by the wings. You saw there I got the queen. Picked her up by the wings. And I'm going to do the same thing to the workers. I've said in the past on this channel, if you're trying to get good at catching queens, work on workers and drones, but don't work on the ones that are just standing still like this one. Those are too easy. The queen never does that. The queen never stands still. She's always walking around looking for more work to do, looking for more space to lay. So mess around with them for a little bit, get them walking, and then go to pick them up. So hurry up, get out of the way, lady, and then go to pick them up. And grab them by both wings so that you're not putting too much pressure on one, although I've never ripped a queen's wings out. I've never ripped any bee's wings out at all. But there is some type of tension. There is some grab that the queen and other bees' feet have to what they're standing on. So it's just best to grab onto both wings like that so that you're kind of evening the pressure out. And if the queen is getting shipped, or if I have a suspicion that she'll be in the cage for more than about 24 hours, I put 4 attendants in there. If she's not getting shipped, or if she's going to get put directly into a hive, I don't put any attendants in there. The attendants are what cause issues when you're installing queens. It's the attendants fighting with the other workers in the hive that'll cause some issue. So as long as the hive that is getting this queen knows that they're queenless, they have no reason to fight. So if I can get away with it, I like to not put attendants in there at all. But I don't know where these queens are going, so I'm caging them up with attendants. And I think that's it as far as caging queens. Next up, I'm going to shut this camera off and start the tips and tricks video. But I guess I could say, so on this other one over here, it's been 18 days. Like I have said in the past, and I just said in the beginning of this video, I like to usually give 3 weeks and then decide that the queen has not returned or didn't do what she was supposed to do on her mating flight. But this 18 days is close enough, so I'm definitely going to write need on that tag so that when I come through here with cells, I have every, I can see it and I can know that that needs a cell. This one I'm going to write pulled. The reason, this is a need as well, but if I write pulled on it, then I know that that had a mated queen beforehand. I pulled it out, and now they're ready for a new one. So, I think I am going to split these baby nukes up. So I'm going to shut this video off right now, and this. So, thank you very much for watching. Get out there and have some fun with your bees. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I'll be free to answer as best I can. So, yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.